Here we go!
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Has it been an actual emergency or dangerous situation? Official messages and directions the emergency alert system. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
There's Caleb.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Has it been an actual emergency or dangerous situation? 7473 and directions would have followed the alert tone.
Yeah!
By the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
The water heater fails, do you? Yeah, when they go, there's water everywhere.
West.
WJIS.
Would have alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management. The Test.
1055.
With boxes of
Cluster vaccine recombinant adjuvanted is now $0 for almost everyone.
Shingrix is $0.
Alright, we're gonna wait on WJGO.
What about the...
Here we go.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Has it been an actual emergency or dangerous situation? Official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
Alex, develop.
Wait on WWGR. Copyright. Okay, now let's wait on WWGR and WJGO. Here we go. Oh, you better not mock Tennessee. Oh, you better not.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Oh,
Has it been an actual emergency or dangerous situation? Official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider.
I'm gonna see if WCJZ can get that.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a
Hi,
special
MFL.
warning for Lake Okeechobee until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Calusa, moving northeast at 5 knots.
Oh, what is about possible?
Waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Buckhead Ridge, Calusa, and Moore Haven. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The National Weather...
Yes! Perfect timing.
Locations that will experience flooding include Lakeport, HTTP...
Yes! Okay, I'm gonna show you where the MFL Marine warning was at. It's right over here. I knew it. What is about possible? Lake Okeechobee. I seriously knew it.
Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee.
Another one!
Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Buckhead Ridge to 7 nautical miles west of Wilkie, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calusa, Canal Point, Parkey, Buckhead Ridge, Lake Harbor, and Clewiston. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Facebook and Twitter.
Yes! 2 in a row. Another one. Whoops. Sorry, 400. Yes. Oh my god. 2 in a row. 2 in a row I got the SMW. Oh, look at this. It's just heading right towards the west of... This is right... The other one was in effect, was right to the north and east from Moore Haven. From Moore Haven. This one is from, goes from Belgrade. And this one, the SMW does include Clewiston. Wow, it does include Clewiston. Yeah.
Hawk Channel and Straits of Florida from Ocean Reef to Craig Key out 20 nautical miles, Florida Bay including Barnes Sound, Blackwater Sound,
Oh,
and
hi,
Westwood
Key.
Sound until 9:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Cowpens Cut, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Mosquito Bank Light, Whale Harbor, Tavernier Creek, French Lift, Tavernier, Carnegie, and Molasses Free Plain.
Let's see.
daylight time.
Yes! First one from Key West. Let's see where it's at. Way up in the Florida Keys. Right by the upper Keys of Monroe County. Well, it's going to be an SPR from MFL. I thought it was going to be an SPR from MFL. Oh well.
The National Weather Service in Key West has issued a special marine warning for Hawk Channel and Straits of Florida from Ocean Reef to Craig Key out 20 nautical miles, Florida Bay including Barn Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound.
Again?
At 9:17 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Hens and Chickens Light, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Hens and Chickens Light, Mosquito Bank Light, Whale Harbor, Tavernier Creek, Cowpens Cut, Plantation, Key and Davis Reef Light. These are the 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Well, they extended a marine warning. After they expired it, now they extended it. It's now until 10 p.m. Now it's in effect until 10 p.m. What?
This is also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. Now, I'm thinking county affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens.
Is Caleb gonna relay that?
We now return to regular programming. Watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio
Guess Caleb doesn't relay it.
warning service called same that is short for
This didn't go off.
encoder. Unlike the
Yeah, this I forgot to turn the switch on, so.
alarmable SWR radios monitoring the station same allows people with especially
You know what thing funny is that this thing went on before MFL went on.
same radios are especially
They both tested at the same time.
government agencies and commercial radio and television
So I counted all three of those.
regard the same program. The marine forecast for the following marine
Well, I'm afraid K-Love is not testing today, unfortunately. But that's okay, since they already got the monthly. As you can tell, this did not get the advisory one because I forgot to turn the switch on because this switch was on the off position, but I seriously forgot to turn it on, so therefore my 120 did not go off. So yeah, because I forgot to turn it on. This was on. This was on. Luckily, and luckily I was able to catch WWG 59 at the same time, along with MFL together. Kind of funny, isn't that? MLB. I can hear the marine warning from the on WWF 69.
And see.
I knew this would happen. First marine warning, Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet. Thanks, MLB.
From Calusa to Clewiston, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, water spouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Liberty Point, Clewiston, Sandcut, Parkey, Lake Harbor, Calusa, and Buckhead Ridge. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. These are the three main 20%.
Wow, I can get WX83A clearly. I knew it's a water spout possible. Thanks, MFL.
Clearwater, Largo, Pinellas Park, Seminole, Kinnick City, Reddington Shores, Indian Shores, Northwest. Section moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Can't get KC38.
A severe thunderstorm warning has
This
been
is KC32.
Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Pinellas, Florida.
So this is in severe weather mode.
Friday night.
So channel 7 KHP32 is now in severe weather mode. Well, SVR for Pinellas. As you saw right there. Finally, TBW got one. There it is.
Service in Muscat has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line.
You fail. You fail.
34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Intact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves. Frequent lightning. and heavy
You
downpours.
failed, WL120.
Locations impacted include Bridge, Clearwater Beach, Old Tampa Bay.
Channel 1 and 7.
Sunshine Skyway.
Thanks, WL120.
Portland Kimball Causeway.
Unrecognized message.
Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Cassegrain Reef, Hillsborough Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Current time is 5:00. Tropical weather issued by the National Hurricane.
Yeah, marine warning. Englewood to Tarpon and Tampa Bay waters.
Since it is 4th night, 1 evening, then numerous showers.
It took a little while for them to relay that, but it did. Because unfortunately for my 120, when I tuned to channel 7, it went off for an unrecognized message. So nice going. Nice going, 120. This is why it should have, that advisory should have went off during the weekly. Unfreaking real.
North winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet in the morning, then 1 foot or less. Sunday night, north winds around 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less.
I heard an attention tone on that.
North winds around 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Service forecast 8 to 4 p.m. KE 2023 for the K, H, B, 32 listening area. For the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, and Polk, including the cities.
Oh, I got WXJ 70. I thought they're not testing today. On. I'm gonna see if I get WWF 69.
Precipitation across.
I can slightly hear it.
Saturday. Today's high temperature was isolated shower.
Yeah, I can slightly hear WWF 69, so. I thought Melbourne wasn't testing today. Guess they are.
MD1 Reef, M7 Reef, Maria Island, M8 Reef, Casa Grill Channel, Southwest Channel, D6 Reef, M1 Reef, Tampa Bay, M6 Reef, M9 Reef, D1 Reef, and D4 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Yeah. Very short for that. Getting a bunch of TBW alerts. Huh. It's for Venice. Well, got WWG 59 and KSP 32 once again. This time it's water spout possible. No way. Dude, no way I was able to get KSP 34 outside. I was lucky enough to get KSP 34.
The National Weather Service in Key West has issued a special marine warning for Hawk Channel and Straits of
Special
Florida,
marine warning.
Reef to Craig Key out 20 nautical miles, Florida Bay, including Bottom
Florida
Sound,
Bay.
Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound until 9:30 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Steamboat Channel, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high
I
winds,
knew it. I knew
lightning, and
Key West was
heavy
gonna do that.
Locations in the warning include Whale Harbor, Tavernier Creek, Twin Keys, Tavernier, Steamboat Channel, Cotton Key, and Chicken Flight.
What was that?
Right there. QRR! QRR!
Oh boy.
Whoosh! That scared me.
Oh boy. I knew it. Wow, let me turn on that. Hold on. I knew Florida Bay was gonna be. I knew that Florida Bay was gonna pop out of nowhere. I knew that Florida Bay was gonna come out of there. I knew Key West is gonna do that again. Well, hello, Tampa Bay Waters. Well, hello, Tampa Bay Waters. Glad you're back again. Glad you're back again, Tampa Bay Waters. Also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
Isolated sun.
Aw. Well, hello there, Lake Okeechobee. First marine warning. Oh my god, this is painful. Well, first Lake Okeechobee marine warning. 2 straight days in a row, I believe. Englewood to Tarpon Springs.
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine
Finally.
warning. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters until 6:30
Oh, it's
Eastern Daylight Time.
Moving south at 29.
still on KSB32 as well.
Sighted. Hazard. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source. Radar.
What is that? Was spotted?
It's 7. I swear.
That should have been a water spout possible.
Locations and tactics include Passagrille Channel, Southwest Channel, Marquis, and Passage Key Inlet. Now for the risk frequency of one. Your coastal waters forecast for the WW.
Finally. Looks like Tampa TPW just finally gave us a marine warning again.
And the 100 went off
Yeah, WWZ 59 went on right after KSP 32. Oh my god. Well, hello, Inglewood the Tarpon. Man, for the second day in a row. Yeah. Second day in a row, Inglewood the Tarpon got one.
Yes,